Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to 6s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to 6 ds, dv we have e to the power of 3s ds. The integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 3 e to the power of 3s. Next, we have u multiplied by v, 6 divided by 3, you have number 2. 2s e to the power of 3s minus du multiplied by v, number 6 divided by 3, we have number 2. And then we have the integration e to the power of 3s ds. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 3s over 3. And we put about sin here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.